Hello, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. Hope you're well and welcome to this video. So today I wanted to talk and follow up on these. And this is the TP-Link Deco S4. You can actually buy them as single units. I bought them as a 3-pack and they are a product for improving your Wi-Fi at home. They use something called a mesh system to talk to each other. And the idea is you deploy a few of these around your home and it helps spread your Wi-Fi coverage, kind of evenly and efficiently throughout your home, and perhaps can reach into spots where you're not getting Wi-Fi at the minute. So I've personally used these for around about a year or so. So this is first-hand real world experience, and I just wanted to discuss my 1-year test of this product on here. So the first thing to say is it is a budget product in my opinion. You will get a 3-pack of these for less than £100. There is a link down below if that is of interest to you. But what I would say is you do get what you pay for. So the reason I am, and spoiler alert here, moving away from these is because I don't feel they were the quickest product, and my speed tests around my home show that. I've now replaced these products with something else, which I will touch on in a second, and my speed tests in terms of Wi-Fi and the actual internet throughput has improved since I move away from these. Now, to be fair to these products, how I had them set up at home is in a pure wireless environment. So what I mean is I had 3 of these and they all talk to each other wirelessly. What you can use on the back here, you can see there's some Ethernet ports. You can wire these in. So what you could use is these alongside a power line adapter to give it a wired connection through an Ethernet cable. And I think that would improve the performance of these. And if you were on a budget and you only had £100 for your Wi-Fi solution and you were happy to pay maybe another £30 or so for some power line adapters to work alongside them, I still think it'll be something to explore, because if you're on a budget, I think for that kind of money, they are the best budget product for you to explore, to have a mesh Wi-Fi system at home. I think they do tick that box. But for me, I wasn't getting the performance I wanted. I thought it could be improved. So I experimented in replacing these Deco units with a couple of Unifi access points instead. And I also used them with power line adapters. Now, first of all, the Unifi kit is always going to be quicker, in my humble opinion, than the TP-Link stuff anyway. And yes, as a little caveat here, I did deploy them using power line adapters as well, which I didn't do with these. But all I can tell you is using the power line adapters and the Unifi access points, it's super quick. It's way quicker than it was before. In some cases, it's up to 50% quicker than it was previously. So it was well worth, in my situation, doing that. Yes, the Unifi kit is more expensive, but it is a lot better. And yes, I had to spend more money on power line adapters to get the solution how I wanted it, but it was well worth it. So what's the point of this video? The point of the video isn't to completely kind of poo-poo on these. They are decent devices, and literally as one example, what kind of motivated me a little bit to do this video was actual real world scenario here. A friend of mine contacted me a couple of weeks ago and said, look, I've only got £100 to spend on a wireless solution at home. What would you recommend? And I recommended these, and I have no problem recommending them if you're on a budget. He had £100 to spend. I said, for £100, this is your best bet, and I stand by that. All I'm getting at is if you can afford to spend a little more, then there are better products in my opinion, and I would explore the Unifi products instead. But if you're on a budget and you can't spend more than £100, do explore these because they are worth checking out. But I wanted to give everybody an update because as you'll see from down below, I will link to it. I've previously done a video about these products over a year ago, discussing them. Genuinely, I've not watched that video back. I would assume I recommended them in that video. But yeah, I still do recommend them for a budget. But if you have a bit more money to spend, I don't recommend them. Hence, I replace them myself, and I replace them with some Unifi access points, long range, super fast access points, and my Wi-Fi stability, reliability and speeds have vastly improved. So there we go. I'm going to wrap this one up. This is a super short video, much shorter than usual, because otherwise I'm just going to keep repeating myself, and I think I've repeated myself a lot already. So all the links to do the products are all down below. All the links to connecting with me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, etc. are all down below. Please do subscribe. Please do. Please do smash the like button if that's helped. Smashing the like button really helps grow the channel, really helps spread the word about us. So please do that. I'd really appreciate it. Smash that like button. And feel free to comment on the video. I do try and make time and effort to read all of the comments and get back to people. So feel free to do that. So that's been me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. I'll see you next time.